Here is how to perform a search using VERISafe, powered by HaloCheck. Go to www.halocheck.com.my and click Login. Log in with your registered email address and password. Once logged in, you will arrive at the search page. If you're on another page, click VERISafe on the navigation bar on the left, then select Search. To begin search, type the subject's name into the search bar. The subject can be an individual or a company. If you have their IC number, enter it in the next box, then click Search. Once the search is complete, you can download the relevant files and follow your organization's procedure for high-risk customers. If no match is found, click here to download the No Match Found report. To look up past search reports, click Transaction History and then click Search. You can type the subject's name into the search bar to find the search record. You can download the relevant report by clicking on this icon. Complete your search in just a few simple steps with VERISafe. Type their name, click Search, and download the report. Thank you for watching the tutorial.